Race.
A story of a young boy who rises to the top of the chain by smuggling illegal things. He has a loyal sidekick, a loving wife.
He takes charge of the smuggling syndicate. He donates money to the locals. He even runs for elections and wins. And in the end, he gets shot down by police. Can we just call the movie Pablo Raiscobar? Rais is a great movie if you keep all the Nawazuddin scenes and edit out all the rest. Plot hole number 1. When Rais was young, his mother told him, "No work is small as long as it does not harm anyone." Which is why Rais becomes an alcohol smuggler. Bro, have you heard of liver cirrhosis? Plot hole number 2. Rais rises to the top of the food chain of smugglers in Gujarat but hasn't really done anything. Is it that easy to become the Ponti Chadda of Gujarat? Plot hole number 3. Rais is an alcohol smuggler in dry Gujarat. He has kajal in his eyes and wears thick chashmas. And if you call him Battery, he will kill you.
Boy, that escalated quickly.
His love interest is Mahira Khan, who could be replaced with a broom and no one would notice. Plot hole number 4. When the police start getting close to Rais's Mal, he comes up with really stupid ideas. Idea number 1. Take all the Mal from trucks and put them in cars. Idea number 2. All the roads are blocked, so let's put all the Mal on the boats. Either the police are idiots or the audiences. Plot hole number 5. When politicians say they want to continue keeping Gujarat a dry state, Rais decides to stop them. Why, bro? If alcohol is legalized, your business will become like Chandrachud Singh. Disappear. Plot hole number 6. When the politicians do their yatra, Rais and his friends show up and beat the living shit out of them. After that, the politicians take revenge by squeezing Rais till he's completely broke. Out of options, Rais goes to a big international mob boss. The mob boss fools Rais into believing that he's smuggling gold when he's actually smuggling RDX. When Rais realizes that he is responsible for the death of many innocent people, he is struck by guilt. Bro, but you just killed 500 people like 15 minutes ago. Plot hole number 7. He decides he cannot stand for murder and decides to turn himself to the cops. But before that, he decides to murder some more people. Plot hole number 8. So wait a minute, Rais leaves behind a family completely broke and no protection. What does he think will happen to them?